In this video, we'll be going over how to join the repurpose.io affiliate program, where are the resources, where to get your links, and how you can get started sharing this awesome software and service with your audience so that they can get benefit from it and you can also benefit from it as well. Now, when you log into repurpose.io, it's really cool because anyone who has an account automatically is an affiliate, which is really cool. So you just log in, and you're in the main dashboard right here. You go down to the affiliate area and you click on that. Now, we do pay through PayPal, so you just simply have to put in your email address with your PayPal account, and then you have to read our affiliate terms and conditions, and if you accept that, you just do save, which is pretty simple, right? And you do per referral that is on a paid plan, you get 25% reoccurring commission, which is awesome. And so we do give you a lot of different resources to help promote this program because we do believe in it. We believe anyone who's a content creator would really benefit from this service. So when you're wanting to promote this and get your link, you can go and choose a page to promote, and you click the little drop down arrow, and we have multiple pages that you can share with people that will be linked in with you. Can give you credit for anyone that clicks on this. You can use it for if anyone has an audio podcast, you can click on that and then copy that link there. Long form videos, like if someone who's more interested in YouTube, you can click on that. We also have a repurposing guide that comes with a 30-day trial. And so I think that one's our most valuable offer. So if you're wanting to use that, it comes with a lot of value. If someone's mostly only with short form content, a lot of people are only interested in TikTok, you can click on the TikTok page and then you can copy that. And the last one is videos, live streams, and podcasts on multiple platforms, which is our homepage. And you can definitely share that as well. And so all you have to do is copy your specific affiliate link and you are good to go. And you can paste that into emails. You can paste that into sharing it with friends and family. You can paste that into YouTube review videos, LinkedIn posts, whatever you want to do to share this service of repurpose and help others benefit from it. And you will get paid 25% reoccurring. And then if you go to the referrals tab, you can always check to see who's currently in the trial, who's currently being paid, and so that way you can see your statistics there. Now, if you have never been an affiliate before, we give you quite a bit of different resources. So all you have to do is go to resources, and then you have to just click access affiliate resources, and it will take you to this page right here, repurpose.io affiliate resources. And I give you a welcome there. I give you an overview. We do pay 60 days afterwards. So we have our affiliate tracking code. So if you don't know how affiliate marketing works, you can click on this, how to get your affiliate links. We do have email swipes for you. So if you have an email list, you can literally just copy and paste these different email swipes and put in your affiliate link and you are good to go. And I teach you how to do that right here. So there's no worries on that. Email swipes are huge. So if you have, like I said, if you have an email list, it's just well written out emails that already are together to convert so that you can share it with your audience and help them out to repurpose their content. And then also if you're like, hey, I don't really know what I can do to promote repurpose, I don't really know what to say, we have a lot of different video examples of different people that have promoted it themselves and have done a really good job. And so we have LinkedIn examples, Twitter examples, blog examples, YouTube review video examples, Pinterest pins, and TikTok videos. So these are great resources for you to look over if you don't really have an idea of what to do. Okay. And then the last thing is I'm always here as well as an affiliate manager. You can email me any questions you guys have. I'm happy to help out and be there with you on your affiliate marketing journey because we want to see you succeed. It helps us succeed. And it really just shares this awesome service with everyone else around us as well. So that's how you become an affiliate with repurpose.io. I know that it will definitely be something of value to share to everyone. And most people who love repurpose.io just love to share it. We have thousands and thousands of people using the service, and so many people who are just behind us as well. And we definitely appreciate you guys in all of your efforts to help us grow and help change the world of content creation. So hopefully you guys loved this video. If you guys have any questions, be sure to reach out. We love answering your questions and getting to know you guys as well. So if nothing else, we will see you guys in the next video.